my name is Sarah from SGD Body and Beauty. In one of my last videos, I did mention some of the skincare I use at night. Now, I did allude in that to the fact that I do get little dark circles under my eyes. So it's one thing that's always been a bit of a bugbear for me. So I wanted to run through something that I'm really loving at the moment to help with that, in addition to my usual eye cream, which I harp on about all the time. So I'm really loving the Arbonne Cosmetics concealer. It comes in a little liquid tube. I personally like to apply it with a brush, so I just use the little wand here, wipe that onto my concealer brush, and then from there I'll simply apply that under my eye area. Now, I find the Arbonne product is really amazing. It doesn't dry my under eye area out too much. I know some concealers and makeup have tended to dry the skin under my eyes out a little bit, but this has been beautiful. It goes on an absolute treat, doesn't dry out the skin, and I'm loving it. I love applying it with or smoothing it out with a brush because I don't lose a whole bunch of product onto my actual fingers, because I know the skin on your fingers can actually absorb quite a bit of product when you're applying these things. So brush works brilliantly. You can get these in the Arbonne Cosmetics brush set, or alternatively you can get brushes from most good cosmetics places if the one in the kit doesn't work for you. So I know different people have slightly different eye shapes and different things can work better for them. So choose one that works for you. Have an awesome day.